The closest car park is Mill Road Car Park. You have to pay for parking, there's plenty of space, there are some toilets if you want to go here, and then just across the road, you are now reaching the castle. Book your tickets online or pay at the door. You can use the 2-for-1 Gardens card here. First of all, we're heading into the castle where you can see this part for free. This is where the restaurant, cafe, and shops are, including toilets. If you want to see the whole castle, you need to pay for the castle ticket. It becomes a lot more expensive. It's not accessible. So if you're disabled or you have a baby, you can't bring the buggies along. There's even like the grand staircase. They offer it to you, but you won't be able to walk it. You need to be young and fit for this. So that's all the bits that you can see within this free section. We're going to head outside and walk towards the walled garden. So I've walked all the way uphill and we have now reached the walled gardens. This is the main attraction, and there are 3 sections: the walled gardens, the rose garden, and the water pond. This garden has won many awards. It's all steamy in here. Just behind me is this lovely greenhouse. It's full of grapes, different fruits, and I've muted this area because there's lots of people walking through and it echoes. Once you walked all the way through, you end up at this cafe where you can sit down and have some lunch. Now we have headed to the chapel, which is outside of the walled gardens. Next is the rose garden. This area is quite small. Finally, we are now at the water pond. I've just exited at the side door, and there's lots of free car parking that you can park along here, and we're gonna head just a little bit further back to this church. This is completely free and it's not a part of Arundel Gardens. You remember that chapel that we went to? There's a wall on the other side. This is the only church that actually has two religions in one building. As you can see, the decorations and interior is completely different. It's so close by, it's definitely worth having a look. Once you're done, you need to head all the way back downhill, back to the car park. Overall, it was definitely worth visiting. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!